Technology is changing so quickly, it's almost impossible to keep up. Schools become overwhelmed when they do not have a clear direction. Becoming a future-ready certified school lets people know that we have a plan in action to best serve our students to be future-ready.
I think to have Benway to be a future-ready school would be such a great accomplishment for us. From day one, 11 years ago, when I took over Benway School, technology was very, very important. In this day and age, for all of our students, they need to understand and know some technology to be able to get a good job through vocation, through college. There's a lot of different things. Technology is every single day in our lives. And I really feel that technology at Benway School needs to continue to be on the cutting edge.
Benway offers laser engraving and cutting, makerspace, 3D printing, video production, robotics, drones, and coding.
We budget the amount of money to be able to consistently upgrade all of our technology that we have in the school, whether it be iPads, smart boards. Everything that we have in our school is dedicated towards our students. Our staff receive Tech Wednesdays where they receive training to be able to promote the technology here at Benway School, and we will continue to foster that type of program for all of us.
Teaching today's technology is giving our students the skills to embrace the future and not be afraid to try new things. Be flexible, have confidence, and good communication skills is just the groundwork to have successful future-ready students.
Benway teaches a lot of people, prepares them for the future, and I think that's just really cool. It's very fun. I get to use a 3D printer. We're doing like an art project where we're making vases. And I'm making a thing where it's like a castle, and the castle, you pour water into it and it has a waterfall.
Benway, I believe, is future ready because we embrace emerging technology. We're not afraid of it. We think outside the box to give our students the best future possible and allow the students to take ownership of their education. With the Future Ready framework, we've been able to analyze where we have weaknesses so that we can correct them, and it has helped us create a plan to go into the community to have our students connect more as well as have them teach others.
So here at Benway, every student has their own iPad for their own individualized learning experience. What we do in class with iPads is we can look up news on CNN. We also use a reading program on the iPads called Read Theory, and we also use this math program called IXL to enhance our mathematical skills.
Here at Benway School, every single classroom has iPads for each student. They have smart boards. The teachers are hooked up through the internet. They can do virtual reality. We have 3D printers now, which are very, very helpful for not only for our IT person to be able to teach some excellent new curriculum for our students, but they also can see and be creative with the work in the finals. So I think it's very, very important for them to be able to utilize this cutting-edge technology.
Benway has prepared my future with technology in a variety of ways. For the past couple of years that I've been here, I've had teachers help me learn how to program using various coding languages like Java and Python. I also learned how to build up many things, such as making skills on Alexa, making my own personal video game, making programs and software, and most of all, I've also learned how to work as a team. I want to go into doing game development and graphic design. I've learned the basic components of technology and how they work, and this will prepare me very well for college and my future.